Athuridu's world. So today we are going to see floating magnet. So the materials we are going to need are stand and we need magnets. Let's see how it works. So I will put this magnet in the stand. So once you've done this, put the second one. See, the experiment works. See guys, it's floating. The third magnet. Third magnet works. Second and third is floating. Let's do it again. I did it wrong, sorry. Wait, get out, please. This magnet is floating because it's force of repulsion. We will put experiments on this channel, vlogs on this channels, and we will do quizzes. Please like and subscribe to my channel so we can reach quickly to 1,000. So then we can do challenges. Bye guys.